Facebook Marketplace has over 3 billion active users, and there are some dropshippers making over $10,000 a month on this platform alone. But here's the thing, most are actually doing it completely wrong. Today I'm going to show you the truth about Facebook Marketplace dropshipping in 2025. Hi, my name's Des from the Ecom Corner. This question about Facebook Marketplace I get quite a lot, so I'm going to answer it in this video. So look guys, the short answer is yes, but there's a few caveats. Let's actually look at the numbers. Entry-level dropshippers typically make $3,000 to $10,000 in monthly revenue. Now, profit margins are usually in the range of 10 to 30%. But what you'll find is the global dropshipping market is projected to hit $557.9 billion by the end of 2025. But here's what most people won't tell you. I worked with a store owner that failed 3 times trying to crack this code. But what I actually got them to do is actually implement just these 3 things. You need a US bank account, so you've got presence, or whatever country you're in, you need to get a bank account in that country. And it's imperative that you reply to customers within 48 hours. And forget about Alibaba shipping. Guys, your products need to be shipped within 2 or 3 days. Otherwise, people are going to start leaving comments on your products. Now, the absolute game changer and the game changer for this store owner was actually implementing proper systems in order to sell on Facebook. So let's be real about the challenges. Manual ordering is going to eat up a lot of your time, and the platform restrictions are really going to limit your growth. And I'm going to be honest, the competition is hotting up on Facebook marketplaces. I think because it's so transparent, you can see exactly what people are doing, and you can kind of reverse engineer where they're getting the products from. But here's where the experience is actually making a difference. We're seeing people within our network making a difference simply by choosing the correct products. Also delivering really great customer service better than their competitors. Now you might think this doesn't really mean a great deal, but if you're posting content on Facebook, you're posting your products on Facebook, and underneath each post you get really great responses on the comments from your customers, this is going to make a huge difference, and it's going to beat out price every single time. Now I recommend starting with either $150 or $300. But here's the breakdown. The great thing is there's no fees on Facebook Marketplace. It's absolutely free to list your products. But the basic tools you're going to need in order to run your business are going to range in between $50 to $100 per month. And I would also say that the initial marketing is $100 to $200 a month as well. And guys, the key is not how much you invest, it's how you invest in the business. You need to focus on building really reliable supply networks and really getting the efficiency of your shipping down to a T. But what I will say to you is, and you're not going to get this from any other video, I don't see Facebook dropshipping as a long-term plan for you. And I'm only doing this video because a few people in the forum asked this question, so I'm answering it for you on this video. But if I'm going to be honest, it's not something I would do. I wouldn't actually start my business Facebook marketing. I would literally start with a Shopify store and do things the right way. That way you've got control of your own platform, you're not going to get your account suspended, and also you can actually increase the level of customer service you can offer each customer coming through your business. But if you do plan on doing this, just think of it as a stepping stone in order to have a real business using a real platform like Shopify. So look guys, if you haven't started yet, I will put a link to Shopify in the description of this video. I think they've got something like a $1 trial that lasts for about 30 days. I would recommend doing that first. And guys, if you found this video helpful, I'd encourage you to actually join our free school community. Hey there, e-commerce entrepreneurs. Are you looking to level up your online store with AI and automation? Then you need to join our free community on school.com. The Ecom network is your go-to hub for cutting-edge AI strategies, time-saving automation tips, exclusive live Q&As, and a supportive network of fellow store owners. And best of all, it's completely free to join. So head on over to the Ecom network on School and click the join group to get started. Let's grow together in the Ecom network. And guys, if you found this video helpful, you're going to love the next video. I show you what dropshipping is all about, how to start, and also not to make the same mistakes that a lot of other new dropshippers make when they start this business. Now, if that's something that interests you, I'd click on the next video.